Hi, my name's Janet and this is Mark and we're from Helensvale. We decided to get GroutPro involved because we were very keen or thinking about selling our house. And the bathrooms, while they were quite okay, they just needed a little bit of a tidy up and a freshen up. So we thought we'd get them in and just to have a look, just to see if there was anything they could do. And see if they can add a little bit of value to the house and the price that we get.
Yeah, there was a range of things that the guys did. They came in and actually highlighted to us there was a couple of tiles that were broken in our bathroom that we were even unaware of. They replaced those and matched everything perfectly, so there was absolutely no evidence that they'd been newly replaced tiles.
You can't even pick them out at all.
The sealants in the tile joints between walls and floors were pretty ratty, and they've replaced all of those and again matched them beautifully.
I think you had a go at replacing it and it just didn't work, so you needed to get a professional in to do it.
Yeah, that's a fair comment. My work wasn't quite up to the GroutPro standard. I mean, other than that, the guys have tidied up all of the grout itself in the floors and walls. The white of the wall grouts is now just very, very sharp and bright. And where floor grout just generally gets dirty with use, that's all been tidied up. As we say, everything just looks fresh. And the guys themselves, really comfortable having them in our house. They're great to get on with, and yeah, they just did a great job.
Communicative as far as you know, what they were going to do and how long it's going to take, and they would ask us, you know, do you think this grout is the right colour that matches, would you be happy with that? And a lot of feedback all the time, which was great. So it was just easy, it was just an easy process, the whole thing, from where to go.
And they have a range of products that they've variously mentioned to us and introduced to us that are useful for, you know, cleaning scum off shower doors and shower screens and those sorts of things.
Mirrors.
You know, cleaning, mirrors, tiles, all that.
I actually use the products for behind our mirror splashback in the kitchen, the glass cleaning, and it's fantastic. It's much better than anything I can buy anywhere else, so it's great.
So all up, it's been a good experience. Really well worth doing.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, exactly.
It just sharpened up everything. You didn't. When you look at the before and after photos, I mean the before photos, if you hadn't seen the after photos, you wouldn't think it was that bad. But when you compare them, you just go, wow, this is so much better than what I expected. And it looks like a new bathroom, brand new bathroom. And that's when you're looking to sell. People come in, and I don't know about anybody else, but I know I look at how easy is it to clean, you know, how easy is it to bring in the shopping, and so I look at things like that when I'm looking to buy a place. And one of the things is the bathroom. You know, is it starting off at a good point rather than already behind the 8 ball and it's dirty and it's, well, you know, scum. It can just be clean, but not clean.
I would answer that question a little bit differently as a bloke, and what I mean by that is, I wouldn't necessarily walk into a bathroom and be too concerned about its presentation as long as it serves the function I need to serve. But when you see what the guys have done,
yes,
it's one of those examples where you're not exactly sure why you like it, but you know you do. And that's probably an unusual way to answer the question, but yeah. We haven't really had anyone who's been here as recently as it's been done to comment on it, but we would definitely recommend GroutPro. No question.
I actually was speaking to someone this morning at my work and talked about how we just had it done, and she said, oh, I should get that. And I said, I would completely recommend them. Don't go to anyone else, go straight to them, because they're just so professional and very, very competitive in prices. Really, really good value for what you get, top quality.